Hello there, I'm Patrick. We designed this quick demo of Springboard Retail to give you a glimpse of the software's power. After all, we're much more than a point of sale, we're a complete retail management solution. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to your dashboard, or as we like to call it, Mission Control Center. As soon as a sale is completed or an order has been processed, it will immediately register in Springboard. The sales dashboard provides actionable data. For example, if you have a low daily margin, remind your staff to stop taking customers to the sales rack and push more full-priced items. If your unit sold per transaction is less than 2, contact your staff and challenge them to sell a top for every bottom or an accessory for particular tops. You can view today's sales versus the sales on this day of the week last year. This makes sure you don't accidentally compare 2 days of the week where sales can fluctuate greatly. You can also choose particular custom dates to compare today's data to and observe what's happening at different locations as well. Not only do you see percentages, you can also check dollar amounts, top sellers, and net sales by hour. On the right, you'll notice your Alerts tab. This will notify you if there are any items that need to be transferred, if there are overdue purchase orders or orders that need to be invoiced. This feature alone alleviates massive pain points. Generally speaking, inventory is a retailer's biggest expense. We've worked with so many retailers who struggle to manage their inventory and keep track of where it is. The Alert tab allows you to get in front of an issue before it begins. Overall, Dashboard gives you a snapshot of everything going on and allows you to ask the right questions and make the right decisions. So here's our point of sale. Notice how clean, sleek, and user-friendly it is. The buttons are big, optimized for touch, and perfect for an iPad, PC, or Mac. We built this software to be simple and intuitive so that your sales associates require minimal training to use it. But don't mistake our software's simplicity for weakness. We allow you to help track sales reps, manage their commission and sales, but also allow you to observe customers' information too. Okay, let's go through a sale. In Springboard Retail, you can easily scan an item or even search by an item's vendor, color, size, or any other attribute that might be associated with that item. Springboard Retail makes it very easy for you to return an item, adjust the price, and helps with any complicated tax laws that you might have to handle. In addition, we provide our own gift card service. We also work with just about every major credit card processor, and we help you accept custom payment types as well. Now that we've gone through a sale, let's take a peek into the customer dashboard, a powerful, robust clienteling tool to help you sell more and make more money. In our customer dashboard, you can see your customer spending habits compared to an average customer, see average transaction value, what your customers are spending at what stores, the number of units, how often they shop, and much, much more. Just looking at the information, you can probably see how powerful this would be for a sales associate. Imagine how much easier it would be for them to engage and retain the customers with this sort of information. Simply using this information, you can help build better relationships and separate yourselves out from the competition. Now we're going to discuss inventory and items. Springboard makes it very easy to add items one at a time, import them in bulk via Excel, CSV, or we have integrations with products such as New Order or Jor. And you can also use Springboard Retail's grid or matrix capability to create families of items. For now, I want to talk about specific items. So right now, I'm pulling up the Allen sweater. I'm now looking at the item record. You can view the UPC, the item number, cost and price, see a description of the product, and print some labels. Now, if you look below where it says group, category, style, color, name, etc., all of these fields are custom. You can add whatever you'd like. Maybe you want a field indicating what season that item is associated with, or another field that will help filter this item. You have that ability. Additionally, you can run as many fields as you want. We're currently running 8 fields in this section, but you can run more. It's totally up to you. And that's the sort of flexibility Springboard Retail can provide. Next, we're going to talk about purchase orders and receiving in Springboard Retail. Springboard Retail offers an easy and intuitive way for retailers to be able to enter in purchase orders as well as receive them in. Much like your item records and many other things in Springboard Retail, you do have the ability to customize the fields that are entered into a purchase order. Here, you see a rather basic one. You can see that there's a start ship and end ship. We're adding in a location where we'll receive the order at, and so on. We also make it very easy for you to import a purchase order from Excel as well as export a purchase order to Excel or a PDF, giving you the ability to easily email your purchasing information to your vendors or your management staff. Now I'm on the reporting page. This is one of the most crucial features about Springboard and completely separates us from other point of sale systems. Our founder was dissatisfied with the mediocre reporting functions other POS systems offered. In particular, he was frustrated by the structure and lack of customization. He always wanted one more field or one more metric, but didn't have the ability to run it. With Springboard, those days of canned reporting and frustration are over. You tell the software what to do, not the other way around. You can now create entirely customizable reports with whatever data you want. You choose what to filter by. You choose the custom fields. All these filters allow you to be as broad or as granular as you want. So let's take a look at one of my favorite reports. Customers' top spend last month. This report allows me to very easily see who my top spenders are for the month of March. Here I can have a very detailed report breaking out their spend by last name, first name, their email, their source sales, their quantity sold, and even their margin. This helps me as a business owner hone in on who my top spends really are. That's just some of the main features of Springboard Retail. Thanks for watching our demo. If you're interested in getting more hands-on experience with Springboard Retail, you can sign up for a test drive today.